is SRAVAN SANDHYA. I had completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communications with an aggregate of 85% from Mari Lakshmi Institute of Technology. I reside over Hyderabad itself. As a part of enhancing my skills, I had taken Java full stack development course from Jspiders Institute of JNTU branch. Here, I had taken the course during August 2024. Here, the placement activity exams were done, which need to increase our skills. Here, the trainers and faculty were very supportive and they have constantly guided and motivated us. I would like to thank Sai sir, who had taught advanced Java for our batch. He was the one who constantly pushed towards better placement, future and activities. And here in this institute, they were regularly conducted mock interviews and also placement activity, which had a boost of our confidence in order to face the company interviews. Thank you.